Top 5 reasons to live in Inspiration on the edge of Aurora and Parker, Colorado. So there are 2 separate communities in one. One for everyone of all ages and the other just for 55 and older. Incredible mountain views. You're minutes away from Parker and all of the amenities that Parker has to offer. Hundreds of restaurants, shopping, and small boutique stores on Main Street, Parker. And just 30 minutes to downtown Denver. Seasonal events, outdoor concerts, celebrations, and miles of trails and playgrounds throughout the community. At the Hilltop, the 55 and over clubhouse, they have a 55+ community center, a pool, and fitness center, and also offers cooking classes, card games, pickleball, tennis, food and wine events, concerts, Denver Bronco watch parties. At Inspiration, you'll really never run out of activities living in this community. Check out my other videos on Inspiration and definitely reach out if I can help answer any questions. Again, this is Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I can't wait to help you through the home buying and the home selling process.